How to take screenshot of your laptop computer screen like a pro. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do. Today we're gonna talk about that how you can take screenshot of your laptop or computer screen. Begin the video. First of all, as you can check out in front of you, I am going to the page which I want to take. Think about it, if it's a page on internet and you want to take screenshot, or you want to download but you are not able to download it, you can take a screenshot of this. But how you can do so? First of all, you have to do a thing. You have to find out a button that is called print screen. PRTSCR. Print screen means that you can take screenshot. You have to press this button. If you have already installed this drop down, that is a Dropbox, you can open it and go to the screenshot folder, and you will find the screenshot over there. That one is the screenshot. But if you don't have that, just go to the just go to the start menu or type paint, and this is the paint of software. You have to open it and just use Ctrl V, or just go to the edit or paste, and this is the file. This is the screenshot we have taken. Even though if you are not able to get you can save this file according to your self's name and thing like this. Now if even next number 3, if you want to know, go to the start menu, type snipping. This is the snipping tool, and you want to take snipping tool. Go to the snipping tool, and if you want to take an image, just click on this image one. Don't put on this video one. Click on new and drag a circle over there, I mean a square, and this is the image. You can now save it according to your requirement, according to your need. So that's the way you can easily take screenshot like a pro without wasting a lot of time. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more video like this, and don't forget to comment down below how you like this video and which option was you know already. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye for now.